Today I will try to do something different. This is a Huawei MediaPad T5 tablet. The problem with the tablet, charging port is broken and you have to bend a lot the cable in order to start charging. So we'll try to replace the charging ports. As you can see, the tablet have a lot of damage, cracks on the display, so it's not in a best condition. So we'll try to remove the back cover without doing more damage, if it's possible, of course, and eventually we're going to try and replace the charging port. Let's start. The customer needs the tablet for today, so if I don't have the same charging port, it will be a game over. I don't usually record this type of videos, but so give me a few minutes to try and open this without breaking it more, and we'll see how it will go. So we have the tablet opened. Here is the charging port, so we need to take out the board, I guess. Let's disconnect the display, the battery. So we have the screws removed. We did desolder the speaker cables. So now we have to try and lift the board. Let's see, did we forget to screw someplace? No, it's just stuck. Okay, we have the board out. Now let's check under the microscope to see what's going on. The pins are looking fine, but inside the charging port doesn't look very well. So let me check, do I have the same port, and we'll continue. So I think I found a charging port. I got this set from AliExpress. Actually, it's very handy. So let's just compare the ports. Oops. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, port is looking identical. So let me try. So I think we can try to lift this one, clean the pads a little bit, and then we try to put the new port. I think there is a sign of flux here, probably someone worked already. So let's remove the port. Port is out. Let's clean the old solder, and we'll try to put the port inside like this. So once we got everything cleaned, we're gonna put the new port and we're gonna solder it pin by pin. The board is very thin and I don't wanna damage it more, and I usually record videos while doing port replacement, so we're gonna put just a little amount on this side like this, just to hold it steady. And after that we're gonna put some flux. We're gonna repeat the same on the other side. I know I can put the port directly, but I don't want to melt the plastic, so we're gonna flip the board. We're gonna solder the ground pads first. Let's add some flux. Like this. Let's fill the hole properly. Like this. Let's clean it. Yeah, nice and shiny. Now, yeah, we have some solder, some extra solder on the ports, but if the cable is going in, I won't touch it because it will be more stable. So let's try the cable. Yeah, cable is going nice, so everything inside is free. Now we're gonna put some flux on the back and we're gonna try and solder the pins. So let's try to do so. Let's add some more. Now let's clean to see. Let's check the pins. Solid. Okay, this one is fine, this one is fine, this one is fine, and this one is fine. So not the best looking job in the world, but port is solid, everything is soldered. So let's try to put this and see how will it charge. This. Now let me put some screws so we can test it better. So let's plug the display. I know I shouldn't put all the screws and test it first, but I think the charging port is soldered okay, so let's plug the charger. Cable is plugged. Now let's wait a little bit because the battery may be flat. I didn't measure it. Oh yeah, we have the charging sign. And the tablet is drawing about an amp. Now my cable is not that good, so probably it's my cable, but it's charging fine. Let's see the buttons. Here we have 4%. Moving the cable, the laptop still charges, so we are fine. Now let's try to close it. Let's remove the cable first and let's try to close it without breaking it more. According to the customer, the touchpad is working. I haven't tried, so yeah, the tablet is closed. Let's plug the cable again. Yeah, it starts charging. So I'll wait a little bit in order for the tablet to get charged. I'm gonna test everything and I'm gonna call the customer. Pretty much that's the whole video. I know it's not a perfect solder job. It's not that easy while you are recording. So I hope you liked the video. Bye bye for now.